This is a Minty condition NSDAP belt buckle. As you can see, it has never been issued because it has still the original paper RZM tag on there. It is marked on the back with the maker's mark M422, as well as on the paper tag we have the same maker's mark with a ink stamp. The paper tag is mounted with one steel rivet as well, and this piece right here comes off because this goes on the end of the belt, and we can see that this piece is also marked RZM M439. So a very nice Minty condition belt buckle, very good for display next to other Militaria collectibles. It is for sale on my website etchedmilitaria.com.